Wouldn't it be great to go back to school in this new year with about 2 or 3 weeks worth of lessons already ready to go? Lessons that are engaging for the students, that have the students start taking ownership of their learning, where they're doing inquiry investigations and exploring the topic. If this sounds like something you would be interested in, I would love for you to join me inside my free 5E workshop, where we are going to put together a full 5E unit lesson plan in 5 days, taking only a few minutes each day to put together each part of that 5E unit. We'll be talking about the phenomenon, how to get your students engaged in the unit, to get them wondering and asking questions. We're then going to go into the explore phase. We'll talk about how to actually create those inquiry investigations, how to use science stations to perhaps allow students to decide what they want to learn about during this time. We'll also talk about that important CER, where our students are going to be explaining their thinking using that claim, evidence, reasoning, writing. From there, we're going to go into the explain phase. How can you free up more time in your classroom, but also get your students to actually understand those key concepts and vocabulary? Then it's into the elaborate phase, where we'll be talking about using student choice and introducing choice boards to allow students to, again, take more ownership of their learning and choose what they are interested in. And from there, we'll end it with our evaluate. How are we going to test our students' level of knowledge, of understanding, and get them to reflect on their own learning? After these 5 days, you will have a full unit ready to go, filled with all these wonderful inquiry investigations, students doing engagement activities, activities that help students take ownership of their learning so that you can actually sit back and become more of a coach guiding the students instead of feeling like the person that is constantly just giving the students the information. So please join me in my free 5E workshop that starts December 27th through December 31st. We'll get it all done, ready to go. Hope to see you there.